Hi everyone, today we're going to dive into the role of hormones in the female and male reproductive systems. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate many bodily functions and in reproduction. They control everything from puberty to fertility. Let's break it down. Female reproductive hormones. In females, several hormones are involved in regulating the reproductive system. Let's start with estrogen. This hormone is key for developing female secondary sexual characteristics like breast growth and the widening of hips. Estrogen also controls the menstrual cycle and helps prepare the uterus for pregnancy by thickening the uterine lining. Next, we have progesterone. After ovulation, which is the release of an egg, progesterone ensures the uterine lining stays intact, supporting a potential pregnancy. It also works alongside estrogen to regulate the menstrual cycle. Two other importance are FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. FSH is responsible for stimulating the growth of ovarian follicles. H containing an egg, LH triggers ovulation, causing the release of the egg from the ovary. These two hormones work in sync during the menstrual cycle to ensure a successful release of an egg. Male reproductive system. Now let's look at the male reproductive system. The most important hormone here is testosterone. This is the primary male sex hormone, responsible for developing male characteristics such as facial hair, a deeper voice, and increased muscle mass. Testosterone also plays a vital role in sperm production within the testes. Just like in females, males also have FSH in males. FSH stimulates sperm production. Along with FSH, LH, luteinizing hormone, helps regulate testosterone production. LH signals the Leydig cells in the testes to produce testosterone, which is necessary for both sperm production and the development of male traits. To sum it up, hormones are crucial in both the male and female reproductive systems. They regulate everything from sexual development to fertility. In both genders, FSH and LH play central roles in the production of eggs and sperm, while estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone ensure that the body is ready for reproduction when the time is right. That's a quick overview of how hormones control reproduction. Thanks for listening.